Hey everybody, I'm Lydell Steiner. I'm here at Tilmor, and I'm going to show you how to take your single Terrateck Wheel Hoe and make it a double wheel hoe. So we're going to open up this kit. I'm going to show you the basic instructions. It's pretty simple, and we'll flow right through it here. And now we're going to open the packaging and set everything up. We unboxed the items. We have the pieces to make the double wheel hoe, which is basically the bolts, the washers, the nuts, the center clamp, and the L clamps that allow you to put the wheels, the two nuts for the wheels, and the wheel itself. So that's the kit. And then as we start thinking about the whole unit, I want to just point out a little bit about the tooling while we're in this process. So you're going to notice as I make this transition, we're going to move from a single center shaft to a L blade that has a different center support. So we're going to make that transition right now. I'm going to take one of these sides off. We're going to take this off. Okay. So we're going to remove our single wheel hoe tooling. And this is, I'm going to go over in another video, talk about the tooling in general, but while we're here, I want to make sure I point this out. You're going to notice that the double wheel hoe tooling has a point there in the very middle, okay? That corresponds with the center of this butterfly bolt, okay? So again, it's all designed for a reason and a purpose. You just need to know what it is, and so that's why I'm telling you. So there we go. So we have the one side. I'm going to put this back on here. And we now have tooling for our double wheel hoe. All right, so that's the one important transition that you're gonna have to make when you go from a single wheel hoe to double wheel hoe is the different tooling that you're gonna be using. Now, to actually make the transition, we're going to loosen this tire up here. So again, I have a 1/2 inch and a 13 millimeter wrench. You can use either one. They both work. We're going to remove the tire that we had, and now we're going to add the clamps. So there's not really steps in the instructions, but essentially what we're going to do, we're going to add this center support here. Okay, and that is you add a carriage bolt through there. And again, reminder on the carriage bolts, they get added, the square hole goes into the square. So it's pretty self-explanatory, but sometimes if you're not paying attention, you can get lost in that. So we add the center support there. I'm going to go ahead and tighten that down right now. The next step is adding the fork for the tires. You see, we're going to basically just add a mount here and a mount there. That allows us to be able to put the tires on the offset, so we now have the double. Again, we're going to add these carriage bolts, washers, nuts, and just to both sides. And that'll be the step for this process, which I'll just kind of run through, and then we'll finish our last step. We're going to move to our last step. We're going to add the tires, and just like we removed it, it's going to go over the fork. And this one I already had the nuts on from the one I took off, but we're going to add the last one. It's going to go right in there. Add the black serrated flange nut. We're going to tighten those down, and that's the end of that step. And then we'll look at it turned over in a second here. Okay, we have added the two wheels on the wheel hoe. I'm going to flip this up now, and you can see you have the double wheel hoe. So that's the assembly process for the additional double wheel hoe kit. You can then add different tooling to the back to allow you to go over the row, which you can see there why you might want this. You're going to run your crop row right through the middle, and then you can run your crop right through there. So you can go really next to cultivate side by side. As I mentioned, we have a number of other kits that would go with this, finger weeders, other kinds of discs to help you get close to that row. So if you have any questions, again, don't hesitate to reach out to us. This is the Terrateck double wheel hoe setup. Thanks. Have a great day.